So guys, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to discuss an interesting project which can potentially give you a massive gain in the future. This project is charity based which aims to provide free education just by holding their token. Community is very active on their social media platform and continuous working on their project. Team will also be creating the education portal application which will be packed full of free education features. Having a look on their website, you will find more detail of their projects and partnership. On the website, you will find their mission and vision of the projects towards education sector. You can also see the roadmap of the project. Talking about their projects, they have partnership with Paperback Africa where they provide free education to the rural area of Zimbabwe. They are also funding education in Philippines by providing scholarship. Looking on their white paper, total supply is 1 billion token and this project operates on tokenomic model, which means if you hold their token, you will be rewarded. 10% tax is being applicable on every sales and purchase made on their token. Out of 10%, 2% tokens are burned permanently, 3% is redistributed amongst the holder who holds their token, 3% tokens are added to the liquidity pool, and 2% is contributed to the charity which is further utilized for the providing free education resources. If you look on their price chart on PooCoin, currently it's available at a low price and a good time to enter. Within 3 days of launch, it has gained a market cap of $6.95 lakhs. I've also locked the liquidity for 15 years. I personally believe in this project and I think it's a great project to invest. Sooner or later we can see a good pump in their price, as they have already burned 50% of their total supply manually, as well as on every transaction 2% token are burned permanently. Now we are going to see how we can buy their token on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. So in order to buy any token or EP token, you will need a BNB in your Trust Wallet. After loading BNB in your Trust Wallet, click on DApp, select PancakeSwap, click on Connect. Clicking on Connect, select Trust Wallet. After connecting your Trust Wallet to a PancakeSwap, select the currency or select the coin, token, whatever you want to buy, the name of the token you're trying to buy. After finding your token, put the BNB of how much BNB you are going to buy the EP token. So here I've simply click on max. After clicking on max, do remember that you have to select the slippage as a 12. Selecting the slippage, here I will click the swap, confirm the swap, and after that I will approve my transaction. After clicking on approve, here we have successfully bought the EP token in our Trust Wallet. So as you can see, we have successfully bought the EP token, and as you can see here a message also displayed of how much token we have got for how much BNB. Remember to log out your Trust Wallet after buying or selling any token. So as you can see here, we are not able to see our EP token in our Trust Wallet. Simply search EP token. If you won't find here, click on add custom token and fill out all the necessary details. Select the network as a Binance Smart Chain and fill out all the detail properly. All this detail you will find in the video of the description, so do check out the description of this video. After filling all the necessary details, we are able to see our EP token in our Trust Wallet. In this way you can buy EP token from PancakeSwap using our Trust Wallet. Do comment me in the comment section if you hold EP token or planning to buy EP token. For more update, do connect with us on social media platform. Do remember to follow us on Twitter, join our Telegram channel for more updates and detail. If you like our video, do hit that like button. Stay connected. Soon we are going to share you next 100x coin. For that, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon. See you all guys soon.